Assalamualaikum everyone. Have a pleasant day to all. And today I'm going to make again another recipe. So these are all the ingredients. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, pinch of salt, pinch of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 medium-sized whole eggs, vanilla essence. I will put also drops of vanilla essence and yogurt. So I will use maybe this is 4 to 5 tablespoons of yogurt. Then I use also zest of lemon. I use 1. And this is optional, and also this is chia seeds. So this is also optional, and 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. You can use any kind of cooking oil. So first I have to mix all these dry ingredients. This salt, baking soda, and baking powder. And then this sugar, 4 tablespoons of sugar. Then mix together these dry ingredients. Sorry. Now we can add now this wet ingredients, 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. And then 2 medium-sized whole eggs. And this zest of lemon, optional. And this is chia seeds. This is also optional. And then this yogurt. I think how many spoon this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 tablespoons of yogurt. And then this vanilla essence. We can use also drops of vanilla essence. Now we can mix all together. This is the texture or consistency or batter of my recipe for today, and this is yogurt cake. As you can see, the black, this is chia seeds, or they call it here in Pakistan, tuk malanga. And I use only 1 teaspoon, and then I soak it in water for 5 minutes. And this is good also if you put chia seeds in any kind of baking or cake, and this is optional. So I use this kind of pan, and I use this kind of baking paper, this round, this kind of round. I have 3 kinds of baking paper, this one. And thank you so much for the sponsor of this one, from Anonymous Family from Riyadh. So I will put now this butter here in tray, and then I will bake it. I already mixed well this one, so again I have to mix again for just few minutes. And then I will bake this one. I will bake this one in my unique oven using this big casserole with sand. And then I will cook in chimney or firewood or pugon, or anggiti, they call it here. Yung pugon ay anggiti. Now we can put like this. Maingay si langga. Pasensya na kayo kay langga. So I put already here in tray, and I will put also sesame seeds and desiccated coconut, and this is also optional. I have available desiccated coconut and sesame seeds, so I will use also. I will add also, I will put some, so it more become tasty. Yan. And then some desiccated coconut. So I will leave this one for 30 minutes or more than 30 minutes because I have something to do. I will cook something. So when I'm free, then I have to bake in my unique oven. This is ready to bake now in my unique oven using big casserole with sand, but I will leave this one for 30 minutes or almost 30 minutes. And this is a yogurt cake toppings with sesame seeds and desiccated coconut.